Good morning, it's Rich from the garage. Sorry it's been a while and been a bit busy, but anyway, bit of a problem with the clutch. There go on the Ducati st2, that is. Basically, it just went straight into handlebars, and of course, I topped up with fluid, and over the next day it went again. So the fluid's going somewhere. Basically. The master cylinder up here, there's no sign of any leaks or anything like that, so they don't normally go, so that seems fine. And these slave cylinders down here, I just popped out, it just pops in, you see, let me just show you, you see that, that is the rod that pushes in and either releases or engages the clutch. That's fine. It goes in and out there, through there. You can pull that out, and there's also a little seal in it to stop engine oil getting into there. Now, there is the cylinder. It looks really inside, which is very bad. See that corrosion in there? Bad corrosion. So I'm going to clean this out completely. They do say just chuck it and put a new Oberon one. They're the best, but they're £96, so I'd rather not do that. So what I'm going to do is, there's the piston. That looks pretty corroded as well, and that has a put it down, it's easier to show you. That has that seal there, which obviously keeps the fluid in. So when you press, it presses down and moves the clutch, and that goes in obviously to the rod like that. So it moves like that. That's the rod end, as it were, just there, which looks fine. So, and then it's got a spring, which is a return spring, just there. So I'm going to clean it all down. Hang on a second, it's rolling about. Yeah, I'm going to clean it all down. Have a look at that seal. I can get a seal. It's not that easy actually to get a seal, because they just want you to replace the whole thing. But anyway, I'm going to look at the seal, look at the corrosion. I'm going to clean it like polish standard inside here. Whoops. Inside here, I'm going to clean it to real, polish standard, because obviously any grime, rust, anything like that, of course the fluid will get by it and leak, which it has been. You can see signs of the leakage down here.